The upcoming episodes of Ishq Jununi are expected to bring some of the most emotional and dramatic moments the audience has seen so far. Relationships will be tested, hidden truths may finally come to light, and one unexpected arrival could completely change the future of Guru, Ruhani, and Tejasvi. If you've been following every episode, stay with us until the end because this update covers the biggest twists that may unfold in the coming storyline. Let's begin. The story has reached a point where every character is standing at a crossroads. Trust is fading, emotions are running high, and every decision has the power to change someone's destiny forever. Tejasvi believes she is only moments away from achieving everything she has planned. With the support of Gautam and the confidence that no one can stop the wedding, she feels victorious. In her mind, every obstacle has already been removed, and Guru has no choice except to move forward with the marriage. Around her, the family is busy preparing for the celebration. Decorations are complete, guests are gathering, and everyone believes they are about to witness a joyful occasion. But beneath the smiles, something feels strangely incomplete. Guru himself appears restless. Although he tries to hide his emotions, his heart is filled with unanswered questions. He cannot explain why he feels that something important is still missing. He remembers Ruhani. He remembers the promises they once made to each other. He remembers every moment that brought them together, and despite everything that has happened, he finds it impossible to erase those memories from his heart. As the wedding rituals continue, the atmosphere suddenly changes. The entrance doors open, and everyone's attention shifts toward a familiar face. Ruhani has arrived. The entire venue falls silent. No one expected her to appear at this crucial moment. Family members exchange nervous glances. Some are shocked, while others immediately begin wondering why she has come. However, Ruhani is not standing there empty handed. She is carrying a heavy bag that instantly catches everyone's attention. Within moments, whispers spread throughout the gathering. People begin asking the same question. What is inside the bag? Why has Ruhani brought it to the wedding? As the mystery grows, Ruhani calmly places the bag before everyone. When it is opened, the family is left speechless. A huge amount of money lies inside. The shocking sight changes the mood completely. Nobody understands how Ruhani managed to arrange such an enormous amount in such a short time. Questions begin flooding everyone's minds. Did someone secretly help her? Has an unknown supporter entered her life? Or is there another truth that has yet to be revealed? Tejasvi's confidence immediately begins to disappear. For the first time, fear becomes visible on her face. She realizes that Ruhani has not returned to create drama. She has returned with a purpose. Guru watches everything in complete silence. His eyes remain fixed on Ruhani as he searches for answers that only she can provide. Without wasting another moment, Ruhani steps forward and announces that the wedding cannot continue. Her words echo through the entire house. Everyone is stunned. Some family members become angry. Others demand an explanation. But Ruhani refuses to step back. She declares that too many lies have been hidden for too long and that today the truth deserves to be heard. According to the latest storyline, Ruhani has finally discovered the conspiracy that has been unfolding behind everyone's backs. She believes Tejasvi was never working alone. Every misunderstanding, every emotional manipulation, and every obstacle placed between Guru and Ruhani was part of a carefully planned strategy. As she begins revealing everything she knows, the atmosphere becomes increasingly tense. She explains how certain people secretly influenced Guru's decisions. She speaks about broken trust. She speaks about betrayal. She speaks about the sacrifices she made while everyone continued judging her without knowing the complete truth. Some family members begin doubting everything they believed until now. Others refuse to listen. Arguments quickly break out inside the house. Everyone has a different opinion. Some stand beside Tejasvi. Some quietly begin believing Ruhani. Guru remains caught in the middle. His heart tells him one thing. His family tells him another. He feels completely torn. Every word spoken during this confrontation forces him to question the decisions he has made. Meanwhile, Tejasvi realizes that her carefully built image is beginning to collapse. She understands that if the truth is fully exposed, she may lose Guru forever. Not only that, she could also lose the respect and trust of the entire family. Instead of admitting defeat, she desperately searches for another way to save herself. Whether her next move succeeds or creates an even bigger disaster remains one of the biggest mysteries. At the same time, Gautam's silence becomes increasingly suspicious. He knows more than he is willing to admit. Viewers are now wondering whether guilt will finally force him to reveal the truth or whether he will continue protecting Tejasvi until the very end. As these emotional conflicts continue, Guru slowly begins connecting the missing pieces. Small incidents that once seemed meaningless now begin making sense. He realizes that several situations may not have happened by accident. One shocking realization after another slowly changes his perspective. For the first time, he begins questioning the people he trusted the most. Could Ruhani really have been innocent all this time? Has he misunderstood her from the very beginning? These questions continue haunting his mind as the family waits for his final decision. The wedding, which was supposed to unite two lives, slowly transforms into an emotional battlefield. Every conversation reveals another hidden secret. Every confrontation exposes another painful truth. Every moment increases the suspense surrounding the future of Guru, Ruhani, and Tejasvi. Viewers can expect emotional breakdowns, heartbreaking confrontations, unexpected confessions, shocking betrayals, and dramatic twists that may completely reshape the story. The upcoming episodes are expected to keep fans on the edge of their seats as every character faces the consequences of their choices. Now the biggest question remains. Will Guru finally choose to trust his heart? Will Ruhani succeed in proving everything she has been trying to say? Will Tejasvi's hidden plans finally be exposed before the entire family? Or is an even bigger surprise waiting around the corner that no one sees coming? Only the upcoming episodes will reveal the answers. Until then, fans can only wait and continue guessing what the makers have planned next. Share your predictions in the comments below. Do you think Guru and Ruhani will finally reunite? Can Tejasvi save herself after everything that has happened? Or will another shocking twist completely change the direction of the story once again? If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Ishq Junooni twists, spoilers, and upcoming episode updates.